What up, guys? I hope you're doing good wherever you are in the world. Like I said on my IG story, start out making a video regarding the scalping strategy, the 1 minute RSI scalping strategy. Guys, I can't lie, but this strategy has been like profitable, really profitable. So I just want to, give you the basics of the strategy so that you can apply it on trading, and you'll see the difference. Actually, you'll see the improvements. So let's jump back to it, guys. What's happening is you're going to, let me just remove this right here. If you don't have trading view, that's still okay. You can still use what's the MT4 platform, depending on the broker that you're using. So you're going to go to indicators, right? And then just type in RSI, and don't choose the RSI strategy, choose the first one, the RSI index, right? And click it. Maybe you might want to put it in favorite, who knows? And then this is what's going to pop up. I think the yellow line, it's the moving average, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, I'm not quite sure, but I think it works like a trend line, an RSI trend line sort of. So as you can see, we're on the 1 minute chart time frame. So what's best, like maybe you could, before jumping into 1 minute chart time frame, maybe like go to M5. Let me just remove this right here. Maybe you could just try to go to M5 and draw your support and resistance levels. Draw the support and resistance levels that you can find like currently on the price. As you can see right now, the market is heading to the this other block right here, which is we can treat it as the support level, and then we can go back to after finding your support level. Okay, after finding your support level, you go back to a 1 minute chart time frame. Okay, and then what you're going to do is wait for the market to reach the support level. After the market has reached the support level, right, let's say this is how the market is going to play out. It's going to come up right here, and then it's going to play around right here for a while before shooting up, right, before shooting up. But it's more accurate when the RSI is actually on the 30. As we all know that RSI is I don't know why it's not showing right here, but the higher level is 70, and then the bottom one is 30. The bottom, as you can see when I move this thing right here, right there on the side, as you can see, the numbers can tell. This is the 30, and then this is the 70. So when the RSI is actually here on the 30, that's where you start looking for your buys on the 1 minute chart time frame. So if you have trading view, for example, right here, let me just give you a few examples. For instance, right here, the market the RSI was on the 30 level, you see, and you can check right here that the market shot up. So basically what you're going to do with this yellow moving average, you're going to use it to, after it skips this line, the yellow line, after the RSI crosses the yellow line, you look for your buys. As soon as the next candlestick closes above the RSI, right, then you look for your buys. And just know, guys, you don't hold your buys for a long period of time. That's why it's a scalping strategy, not a swing or not a day trading. It's just a scalping. Just hold your trades for a few minutes. You just take those few pips. You catch a few pips, then you go out. Maybe your take profit should be on the nearest support. The nearest resistance level on the 1 minute chart time frame. It's easy as that, simple as that. You feel me? Let me give you another example. What do we have here? Another example. Right here, as you can see, right here, the RSI hit the 30 level. Okay, it hit the 30 level. As soon as the RSI hits the 30 level, maybe you can try to find the support, somewhere around, just mark here, for instance, just mark this level right here, you drag it on your left hand side and go to 5 minute time frame and check if you can find that the price is on the support level or what. As you can see, this is where the price was. you can treat that as support level, short-term support level. So you know that, okay, when the market is, on the 5 minute time frame, the market is on the support level, then you know, okay, the market is at the support, the RSI is at 30, I can look for buys. Then you look for buys. After buying right here, I'm giving you the game, guys. I'm giving you a very profitable strategy, especially if you don't have much patience. You can also use it on your phone without, or the PC. If you don't have the PC, you have a phone. That's all you need, basically. That's all you need, a phone to trade RSI. Alright. So as you can see, the market was on 30, and then it showed up right after. It showed up from that point, and then as soon as this line crosses the moving average, the yellow moving average, and the candlestick closes above it, you can try to look for another buy, add some more buys on, depending on the account that you have. Of course, you can add more buys on top of the trades that you have. Let's try to look for sell signals. We've been looking for buys for quite some time. Let me try to look for sells. Okay, there we go. As you can see, sometimes the RSI, won't be 100% profitable. You just have to apply it properly and know that, okay, as you can see right here, the RSI was right at the top and it continued going up. As you can see from this point right here, the RSI was at the 70 level. It was at its highest, right? That's why you need a confirmation before you enter. As you can see right here, the RSI was on the 70 level. Right here, it was on the 70 level and it went up. As you can see, follow this line that I'm trading, follow it with the candlestick and the RSI, follow it. As you can see, when you go to this candlestick right here, the market, the RSI drove below the moving average, the yellow moving average. After the RSI is below or above the moving average from either the 30 level or the 70 level, depending on where the market is, you can sell or buy right after the RSI is from its highest point or the lowest point. I hope you understand me properly, because you need to follow these rules. You just don't enter or jump in the market without any confirmation. Right? You don't just jump in without any confirmations. This strategy is very profitable, guys. It's very profitable. You just have to, even on the 1 minute time frame, you don't even have to wait for that long period of time for the RSI to reach the 70 level or the 80 level. As you can see, another example is right here. Another example is right here. As you can see, the RSI was on the 30 level and the market was on the 30. The market was right here. That's where the RSI was shows. Okay, and then the market crossed this yellow line, this yellow moving average. You buy when the market is here, but if you want to be more safer, you wait for the RSI to cross the moving average, and then after the RSI crosses the moving average, then you can start looking for your buy signals. Okay, then that's when you can start looking for your buy signals. Remember, you don't hold for a long period of time. Right? As soon as you make those few, even 200 rand profit, you close. You don't need to be greedy. You don't, you close. Right? You close. You close on your nearest resistance or your nearest support. You feel? As you can see, in this case, if we took a buy, our take profit will be right here. And believe it or not, Nasandred, from this point here to this point, you would have got it out with at least 500 from this. You just close the trade from as soon as you see profit. As long as you're satisfied, then you take the profit. Let's see what the market is at currently. Maybe it's at the below, and I can give you a live example, an exact live example of what I'm speaking about right here. As you can see, guys, you see, but the market wasn't at the 30 level. Okay, but it almost hit it, but You don't have to enter the trades like this. You just have to wait for the RSI to hit the 30 level before entering a trade. Okay, but in this case, the RSI has crossed the yellow, the what, the the yellow moving average. Just maybe open a buy and just hold for 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and then maybe if it reaches this level, you take your profit to be safer. Just to be safe, because the RSI didn't reach the 30 level. It didn't reach the 30 level. So this is a risky trade. You just have to wait for the RSI to touch the highest level or its lowest level and then cross the moving average. Then that's when you can enter a trade. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, but then I hope you took much information from this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and also follow us on Instagram. We're at Wolves of Wealth FX, and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Peace, guys. I appreciate for your time and watching this video up to this point. I'm out.